Welcome to the first lesson learned, non-human identities. We actually rated all these top 10 lessons from an impact as well as a likelihood level. When you see the impact as being 3, that means it's the highest impact because it's a number from 1 to 3, 1 being the lowest, 3 being the highest impact. And the likelihood attribute shows us how likely it is for this issue to surface in the real world, because we are only discussing real-world findings. So this is the highest impact with the highest likelihood. So you need to learn this first. So your AI agents never sleep. They generally do not change their password, and they have all these API keys, access tokens, and different cookies, whatever is needed to do their job. Yes, they have them. So stealing one of these master keys is like finding the master key to a house right under the doormat. These AI agents have centralized management infrastructures where there's a master key to open the entire repository. So I'm talking about that master key. If somehow that gets stolen, many other keys that are related to it are automatically going to be stolen.
Pocket change for world domination. Don't let your data be sold for pocket change. Defend the AI kingdom.
So in the case of the API keys and AI agent identities, the attackers are selling complete autonomous identities. These packages include the agent's memory state, its session cookies, and its specific permissions within a corporate network. As of early 2026, the dark web monitoring has confirmed that over 25,000 AI-linked credentials from more than 1,000 affected organizations are currently for sale, with high-value, complete agent identities fetching up to $5,000 due to the widespread failure to monitor agents beyond their initial set and forget deployment. When somebody buys this, we don't actually have too much visibility as to who bought it. Is it the actual AI agent running this, or is it the stolen credential doing all this work instead of the AI agent? That we will never know. So that is the problem. They are inside. It's impossible to monitor them because somebody stole the credential. So this is a 451 research organization's finding. Non-human identities now potentially outnumber human identities by more than 50 to 1. So now let's look at some of the most recent attacks involving NHIs. So in April 2026, Udemy, one of the biggest online learning platforms, suffered a major cyber attack by the notorious hacking group Shiny Hunters. All right, everybody. Now we are at the Shiny Hunters data leak site. Obviously, we are at the Onion site, the DLS site, the dark web site of Shiny Hunters. They have quite a lot of victims under their belt. As you can see, this is a listing of the companies that they have breached. As you just saw, the real Shiny Hunters group does not have a Telegram platform, so don't spend too much time there. All right. So if anybody wants to learn how to get to these pages, please watch my A1 dark web SOC Radar training. There you go. The dark web monitoring crash course by SOC Radar. That is the recommended, let's say, crash course to dark web on how to do intelligence from the underground. Multiple chapters there, but I guess best way to read this out is this Russian market, and which gives you a lot of insight. Anyway, that's a different story. Moving forward, if you wanted to, you could actually click these download buttons to download these files. Udemy, over 1.4 million Salesforce records. You click the download button and it gives you this file. Should have paid the ransom, 1.4 gigabytes zip archive. And also here is the Vimeo. And here's all the files. There's an information.txt file. They are giving links to their, I guess, pages. Good to know. All these links can also be reached from my GitHub repository if you're interested in doing more research, which you can reach by this interesting short link, bit.ly/EADark, my initials and the term dark. Control F gives you Shiny Hunters, data leaks, which are all these things here.